Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and another greasy bun. You know how I roll. This is the first time in quite a while that I'm putting out one of these low value update videos. If you're new, you don't know what's going on. Usually at the end of every month, I do a little video where I give an update, kind of like what I spent this month. Where did my money go? Did I have any regrets? What have I learned? And I'm gonna be very honest with you, when I was crunching the numbers for this video this morning, I was almost sick. I'm ashamed to put this video out there, because when I say I went over budget, I have never in the existence of myself having a budget, which has been 6+ years, and never gone over budget this much. Even close. What happened? But this is life, and life is imperfect. Life sometimes takes you off on weird tangents where you spend a bunch of money on stuff and then sit back and think, I shouldn't have done that. I'm not gonna hide this video from you. I'm not gonna pretend like this month didn't happen. No, here's me. I'm imperfect. I make mistakes. So let's get into this, shall we? Okay, usually I would do like what I've learned from the month first, and then I would go in and share the numbers with you guys, but I'm just gonna go straight into the numbers this time because I just need to get it over and done with. And then I can try and justify myself later. For those of you who are new, hi, thank you so much for being here today. If you enjoy videos about low values, project plans, how to budget, and generally like good vibes, how to live your best life, then I think you'll like it here. Why not go and subscribe? And for those of you who are back, you guys know you're my oddballs and I love you. This is a lot. Okay, so this app that I use, it's literally just called Spending in the App Store. It's very basic, but it's free. It takes everything that you've spent during the month, like the different categories, and it orders them from like what you've spent the most on down to what you spent the least on, which is very embarrassing for me because this month what I spent the most on was drinks. They're lifting lockdown, going out, drinking some mimosas. I will also say, I just feel the need to justify this. I went away for 4 days to Salisbury, and while I was there, I did, like, we went out for a few drinks, we went out for cocktails. And usually I would, if I was going away, take that out of a separate budget, but I didn't, and so this includes my Salisbury drinks. I don't know if that's a reasonable justification, I just felt like I needed to say it. So drinks, £172.38. My local pub put their prices up by like double, so I blame them. The cost of the hotel when I went away to Salisbury was £140. I had to get new contact lenses this month, or last month I guess, in July, which is always a bummer because it's so expensive. That was £110. I spent, no, really? I spent £59.99 on clothes. Yeah, actually that makes sense. I bought 2 new things. Both of them were thrifted. One was a designer dress. I got it from a consignment shop, so I got that for £45, which was a bargain. The other was a little like, I can speak English, I swear. What's it called? It's not a cardigan. It's like a, it's like a little like, it's not a cardigan because it's sheer. It's more for fashion than for warmth. What is that word? Do you guys know what I mean? I don't know. I got one of those as well. I spent £53.58 on takeaways, which is just Domino's. Like, I could be single-handedly keeping Domino's in business at this point. It's disgusting. Days out, I spent £50.60. All of those were in Salisbury. Like, I went to Stonehenge, I went to the cathedral, that kind of thing. Oh, I spent £47 at the dentist. That just sucks. I got my nails done. I was so bougie this month. That was £40. I got my nails and my toenails done. I don't know who I think I am. I spent £39.96 on hay fever medication. This is how bad my hay fever is, but the tablets that I take are incredible. I mean, look at me. I've got mascara on. I'm living my life, so it does work. I had to get 2 containers of hay fever medication, so yeah. I spent £35 on skincare. I spent £35 on a Moldavite ring. I don't have it on. This is it. I love it. I got it from Salisbury. May or may not be magic. Yet to be determined. I spent £25.19 on petrol, which is actually pretty good going. I spent, oh, another £21 on a day out. I don't know why that isn't all linked together. Eating out, I spent £19.20, but this did just occur to me. Out of that money I spent on drinks, one of those times I went out for drinks was brunch, so technically I did eat. Not two of those times. 2 times I went out was brunch, so I did eat, but I put it down as drinks because I did mostly drink. I spent £16.99 on makeup. Look, not all of that was for me. I went to Boots with my niece and she was like, oh hey, if you get me this, I'll give you the money back. And I was like, yeah, okay, I believe it when I see it. I will never see that money. It is what it is. I spent £15 on my new phone contract. I spent £13.20 going to gym classes, £11.99 sending packages, £9.99 on Spotify, £9.25 on gifts. I spent £8.50 on some new scrunchies. Supporting a small business. I'll link it down below. Her scrunchies are so cute. And we love to support small businesses, so you know. Shampoo was £8. I bought a Christmas tree decoration from Salisbury that was £6. Spent £4.99 on my Hey subscription so I can watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I spent £3.44 on snacks and 79p on the iCloud. Oh, and also, I missed this one out. £59 at Tesco. For the life of me, I can't remember what I bought at Tesco for £59. I have no idea. I'm racking my brain. I don't know. This brings the total, okay, bearing in mind that my budget does fluctuate, but it tends to be around the £500 mark. My total came to, I can't even say it, £1,016.05. I'm trying to see, like, where did I go wrong? The contact lenses, that was £100, expensive. Going away, I'm gonna say was probably £250, easily. So £350 with the contact lenses going away. The dentist, that's another £50, that's £300. Yeah, that's all I can really justify as things that felt out of my control. I mean, I could have not gone away, obviously, and I could have not had cocktails when I was there. But you know what I mean? Like, that's not a regular expense. That's something out of the ordinary. That's a lot. That's a lot. But I do need to be a little bit more mindful because I can't spend £1,000 a month. I can't do that. And I know that I've bought stuff this month, which I don't usually. Like, I bought that dress, I bought the cover-up thing, I bought the ring. And that's pretty out of the ordinary for me to go out and buy things. But they were things that I really, really liked, unusual things that I knew that I wouldn't see again. So I was like, hey, while I'm here, I'm gonna treat myself. The biggest issue that I'm facing is that I used to do everything in cash. I used to take out my budget in cash at the beginning of the month and I would pay for everything with cash, and then I would see it dwindling, right? You know, I've got like £50 left, I've got £20 left, whatever. Whereas with the card, and now I have Apple Pay. I think I need to get rid of Apple Pay because I'm just like, oh yes, I always have money available and I don't need to know how much is in my account, and it's just not, it's not good. I always recommend, and I will continue to recommend, carrying cash instead of using card. But at the moment, that's not possible in a lot of places. A lot of places still aren't accepting cash because of the corona situation. So yeah, I just blame COVID for me spending too much is basically what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm totally embarrassed, but I wanted to share this video anyway to show you that this is real life. And even though I am like big on budgeting, you will see me talking about how to save money, you will hear me talking about the no buy, the low buy, and you might think I've got it really all together. I'm still a human being, right? And sometimes I mess up, sometimes I go over budget. Do I let it ruin my life? No, I just say, let's probably not do that again and move on. I don't want to glaze over my imperfections. I don't want to pretend like I'm doing things really well all the time because I'm not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think I did. But if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember that I love you all so much. I hope you are all having a beautiful day. Remember that you are enough just as you are, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.